Guys, welcome to my video. So guys, credit history is very important for all of us, but unfortunately sometimes due to whatever reason, if wrong information pops up on your credit report, it's very important. So I'm going to discuss how to remove wrong information from your credit report in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Okay. So guys, the thing is, if your credit card has even one wrong piece of information, there are chances that you'll have trouble. It could be in getting a mortgage, car loan, credit card, or anything, right? Now, many people unfortunately don't even realize until it's too late when they actually apply and find out, oh, was it there for how long? We don't know. Okay. So, first of all, what is a credit report? A credit report is basically your financial history. It shows your credit products like your loans, credit cards, payment history, collections, missed payment, public records. Okay. In Canada, there are two main credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Okay, banks, landlords, other financial institutions all check your report before trusting you. So if wrong information is there due to identity theft, it's a huge concern. Okay. Now, some most common issues Canadians see are accounts that don't belong to them, wrong payment history showing missed payment, closed account showing as open duplicate account, wrong balance account, wrong personal information, collection account that should have been removed, hard inquiries you never authorized. So even a small hard inquiry could impact your score a lot, right? So if the first thing is to get your credit report, okay? You can get it online by mail also. Both Equifax and Canada do provide free credit report, okay? Some people use other third-party service like Borrowal and Credit Karma too, okay? So first is to check, okay? Second is if you find anything wrong, note it down. Exactly what is wrong. Okay. You need to identify the exact line, exact issue. For example, if account number, a particular account number ending with 5678 does not belong to you, so you have to know that. Okay. And if you have made a payment on time and that shows late, that also you need to highlight. Yeah. Next is to collect evidence. Okay, because this is the most critical part. For example, if you had closed an account and it shows open, you need to provide documents that yes, it was closed, you got the receipt, email, anything. Okay. Now, if your identity was stolen and it was misused, you need to provide police report. Okay. If you have to correct your address and utility bill, government ID. Okay. Now, the stronger your proof is, better chances of handling it easily would be there. Okay. Then you can submit a dispute. Okay. To both Equifax and TransUnion. Now both you have to do separately. Okay, don't dispute with just one. Okay, because they do not share dispute results automatically. You can dispute online using their dispute portal or by sending dispute forms through mail. When you submit dispute, explain exactly what is wrong, why it is wrong, what correction you want, and all the evidence that you want to attach. You don't have to send original, only photocopies. Okay. Next is they are gonna conduct the investigation. Okay. Now it takes time, generally 30 days, but sometimes even more also. Okay, they and Equifax TransUnion they follow up with lender and other parties involved, and if the wrong information is identified, it will be removed or corrected. Okay. Now, if your dispute is rejected, don't give up. You can do three things: submit more evidence and dispute again. Yes, second is contact the lender directly and ask them to update the record. Or else you can also and you can add the consumer statement on your credit report. Okay, so this is what you can do. Okay, so that's how you can do, guys. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Credit monitoring is definitely a good thing. You should like time to time you should do, or you can even buy credit monitoring services from them if you really want to. This is what I want to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.